rather than just saying, yeah, we have a laundry service, $2 a pound, pick up and delivery. It's like, oh, okay. Like yeah, okay, fine. That's good. Who cares?
Right.
But it's like, hey, I believe you deserve more time. Like, you're a busy parent. You've got stuff going on. You don't need to be doing 5 to 7 hours of laundry. Like, what if I could give you the time to go hiking every weekend with your family?
Mm-hmm.
Well, if that sounds interesting to you, boy, do we have the right service for you. Like, that is so much more powerful than like, yeah, it's $2 a pound. We'll come to your house, pick up your laundry and clean it. So that, I think when I was going through this whole process and I came across Simon Sinek in his TED Talk, I was just like blown away. I was like, this is like the most important, 20-minute YouTube video I've seen, like, probably in the last, couple of years. And for us that are trying to build a pickup and delivery laundry service in a new market where it didn't exist before, which for a lot of us is the case, like, unless you live in a big city, like a big metro city,
mm-hmm.
like in our little city of 150,000 people, even in our whole region, there's probably 1.5 million people in our region outside of Toronto, really doesn't exist. And so Simon Sinek talks about the law of diffusion of innovation, where you need to sell early adopters. And when you get 15 to 18% market penetration by selling to your early adopters, it's only then that you'll actually start seeing mass market adoption. And so how do you talk to the first 15%? How do you sell the first 15%? Those people are only going to buy into your service if they believe what you believe, and that's why you have to talk to them from the why. That's what's going to resonate with them, because they're buying into something. And and that all goes to core focus.